Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about technology and how it shapes our world, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting and crucial topic in the realm of artificial intelligence, explainable AI, or XAI for short. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, understanding how these systems make decisions is more important than ever. So, grab a seat and let's get started. But what exactly is explainable AI? Why is it so vital in today's tech landscape? To answer that, let's explore the concept in depth and see how it impacts various industries. First, let's break it down. Explainable AI refers to methods and techniques in AI that allow human users to understand and trust the results and outputs created by machine learning algorithms. In simpler terms, it's about making the black box of AI more transparent and providing explanations for decisions made by these systems. Now, why does this matter? Well, consider this: AI systems are increasingly being used in high-stakes fields like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice. In these cases, the stakes are incredibly high. A misdiagnosis in healthcare or a biased decision in a loan application can have serious consequences. Let's take healthcare as an example. Imagine an AI system that analyzes medical images to detect signs of cancer. If the AI identifies a tumor but can't explain why it made that decision, doctors may be hesitant to trust its recommendation. With explainable AI, we can provide insights into the reasoning behind the AI's diagnosis. For instance, it might highlight specific features in the imaging data that led to its conclusion, giving healthcare professionals the confidence they need to act. Now, let's shift gears to finance. Banks and financial institutions are increasingly using AI for credit scoring and risk assessment. If an AI model denies a loan application, it's essential for the applicant to understand why. Was it due to their credit history, income level, or even a bias in the model? With explainable AI, financial institutions can provide clear reasons for their decisions, ensuring fairness and transparency in lending practices. And what about criminal justice? AI is being used for predictive policing and sentencing recommendations. If an algorithm suggests harsher sentencing based on historical data, we need to question how that data was interpreted. Explainable AI can shed light on the factors considered by the model, helping to identify potential biases and ensuring that justice is served fairly. According to a recent survey, over 70% of consumers expressed concerns about AI's transparency. This highlights a significant barrier to the widespread adoption of AI technologies. Organizations must actively work to build trust with their users by implementing explainable models that clarify their decision-making processes. Experts in the field, like Dr. Kate Crawford, emphasize the need for accountability in AI systems. She argues that understanding the why behind AI decisions is crucial for ethical considerations. Without transparency, we risk perpetuating biases and making decisions that can adversely affect people's lives. So, how do we achieve explainable AI? There are several approaches, including interpretability techniques such as feature importance scores, decision trees, and model-agnostic methods like LIME and SHAP. These methods provide insights into how algorithms make predictions, offering explanations that are understandable to non-experts. Imagine using a decision tree to explain a loan approval process. The tree visually breaks down the reasoning, showing how each factor contributes to the final decision. This not only helps the applicant understand the outcome, but also allows the bank to refine its model for fairness and accuracy. In conclusion, explainable AI is a critical aspect of the growing AI landscape. As artificial intelligence continues to impact various sectors, understanding how these systems work is essential for building trust and ensuring ethical practices. By leveraging explainability techniques, we can make AI more transparent, fair, and accountable. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have questions or thoughts about explainable AI? Leave them in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest in tech, subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.